Whoa, that loud. Hey, 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 trading nerds. Welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful December the 27th, our last full week of the 2024 year. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like Rick and Bruce and Carl and Dan and Frank and Kubus and Mo and Mr. Money Pants and Steven and Vicky with a Y. How are you? Hope you're doing good. I am running a little bit late. I do apologize. Me and the family had to make a stop by Applebee's.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Well, we didn't get thrown out, but it was showing us good. Let me tell you what to get at Applebee's. All right, here's what you get. You go into your local Applebee's and you order the number one. If you got a significant other with you, y'all can order the 2 for 28 meal. Or is it 2 for 25? 2 for 25, 2 for 28, I think. And get the Fiesta Lime Chicken.
Bourbon Street Steak.
Beth says Bourbon Street Steak, but she don't know what she's talking about.
Yes,
You get the Fiesta Lime Chicken, and don't get their rice. Their rice is horrible. So I want you to substitute their mashed potatoes instead. Now, then I want you to tell them to give you a side of dumpling sauce. Now, they'll look at you like it's funny, but it's like a little teriyaki sauce that they do with their little wontons or something like that. And you get that, and you dip that chicken that's already got the Mexi Ranch sauce on it. That is super, super, super good. It's half ranch dressing and half salsa, and it's delicious. And then make sure, now they're going to bring you out some, what's that they call, Beth? The tomatoey stuff. What's that stuff called? Pico de gallo. They're going to bring out the pico de gallo. I don't eat that. I give that to my mama. But make sure you get the lime. Beth, will you hush? I'm trying to teach my class. What did I forget? What did I forget? Make sure they bring you a lime out. Sometimes they'll forget the lime, but that's an important component. And you take that lime and you squeeze it on that chicken. Y'all, friend, and neighbor. Let me tell you something. It's like my mama says. She says, I think this is the best meal ever. And it's really, really good. And my mama even has enough for supper, even though I about licked my plate clean. It was so good. Oh, it was good. So anyway, good day to you. Hope you all having a wonderful, wonderful last Friday of the old year. And look at this, y'all. NQ is down 1.46%. The E-mini's down 1.2%. It was worse than this, but look, we may be up by the end of the day. Look at this, y'all. Look at the AD. It was way down here at 1 o'clock, and then look at the AD. It's just been up, and it's moving on up. Let's play our little moving on up music.
Well, we're moving on up to the side.
Yes, Lord. So, I mean, this is good, y'all. This is really good. We're just coming back. So, market is doing what the market is. So that means that TQQQ is down what, 3 or 4%? TQQQ down 4.27%. Look at that, y'all. So let's see what our Big Green Monster looks like. On the E-minis, Big Green Monster fell out. We're still within the normal fair value range, right? Nothing to see here. Looks like it's clawing its way back up. And then we'll look at the NQ and look at the NQ and the NQ. Look at this, y'all. Isn't that funny? How it caught it. Isn't that great? Look at that. You can't make this stuff up. Caught it and then it rebounded. So it's oversold and looking to go back into the fair value zone. Isn't that cool? All right, let's look at the linear regression. And the linear regression is, I thought I drew some more lines yesterday. I'm pretty sure I drew more lines yesterday. Where are my lines? So anyway, look at this. It come right down to the bottom of the channel and then boom, come back up. So big red candle on the day. Let's see how our little account is doing. Let's go over here and find it. So I'm scared to look. How much money are we down today? Y'all ready to look? I'm going to look briefly. Oh my gosh, we're down $910 in that one, and we're down $275 in that one. Beth says, I better get it together. We better get it together. We don't have this losing money stuff, right? Let's see how our little stuff is doing. We got TQQQ. We're up 19%, up $78 on our covered call, and our put is down 5% on this big move down. All right, that's not bad. So TQQQ is at 84, and our strikes are 74 and 89. So I think both of those are looking really, really good. How's our little MES doing? Look at this. Our naked put, even on a big down day like today, look at this. We're only down 62 cents on it. And we're actually up $7.49 on our put debit spread. How about that? Wonka, wonka. So let's see how our hedge is holding up. 1226 today is the 27th. So we got a little bit of a hedge, not much. Now, come Monday, y'all, we're going to have to do something. Come Monday, it'll be all right. Come Monday, I'll be off of my diet. So, you know, I guess I can go into the weekend with this. I really kind of need to. Let's see, these have got 4 days left on it. What's it look like without those? Probably doesn't make much change at all. It makes a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah. So let's see what this looks like on Monday. Let's go to the 30th. Yeah, our hedge will be off by the 30th. So it's almost like we need to do something to get our little hedge on. But I'm going to wait. Watch it crash Monday, and then we'll be like, we didn't have a hedge on. So Monday, y'all remind me, we got to do something with our hedge on Monday. We really need to do it today. But let's see. Let's see how this looks. Let's go cap requirement, make sure we got everything look. Let's see if we were to put on a hedge today. Let's see. TQQQ, we want to go to ES and trade, and we want to go to 120 days, but we generally can't find the strikes that we want. Remember, we like that $3, but they're in $100 strikes. We can't do 124, so we do 111. Probably can't do 111. Oh, no, those are 100 wide strikes. So we'll have to go down to 94 days. Let's see if 94 days should have what we need. So, yeah, it's got what we need. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. We got a hedge here, right? So what we could do is sell 3 here. So let's go quantity of 3. And we would like to get that 325, wouldn't we? So we got 3. Yeah, -3. Let's do that. No, that's not going to work. So let's go here. This doesn't automatically update. So we'll go to 320 to try to get that filled. Now, really, if you're scared of a big sudden drop, you need to do this. Do your longs first, but I'm figuring it's going to be okay. Well, let's go to 315, see if that'll fill. And we're in there. So let's buy 5 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we want to buy those cheaply as possible. So let's go here. And we got to pay a little bit more, don't we? Replace 310. And come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's do this. Oh, we do not have a Muscadine Mafia session this week, but I'm going to try to get a friend of mine on next week for Muscadine Mafia if he'll do it. I'm not sure he will, but he is really good at scalping. And I mean, like yesterday, he made like $10,000, in a day. And I'm like, dude, you got to teach me how to do this. And he says, dude, I learned everything from you. I'm like, you didn't learn that from me. Making $10,000 scalping in a day? Oh, crap, no. So let's get a closing order on this. I'm going to try to see if he'll come on with us next week. That'd be really great. Who could use 10,000 a day? Beth, what would you do if you could make $10,000 a day?
Different.
She said probably nothing different. You know, when Beth's got me, she's got everything that she needs. Huh? What are you laughing at, Beth? I mean, I am like the perfect man. Huh? So we'll put that little order in like that. So we got our little 20-cent order in to close that thing. So now let's look see how our little hedge is doing now. Let's go over here. Let's update everything. Let's go to risk analysis. Let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do that. Aha! Now we got us $15,000 in protection. And that's on Monday. What is it now? Today it's $24,000. Cost me $250 or so, but that's just part of doing business, isn't it? Now, since we have TQQQQ down today, you remember last time I said that when we were down this much, that I wished that I had bought some more TQQQ, right? So TQQQ is down 4% today. So let's go and let's just ask Claude. Let's go to Claude. And let's go, hey, today is, because it may not know today, 12/27/2024, a few days before our next purchase of TQQQ. However, currently, TQQQ is down 4% on the day. What do you think about us going ahead and doing our next regularly scheduled purchase of TQQQ a few days early? Let's just see what it says. Da 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 da. Come on, Claude. Tell me what we're going to do. I probably need to tell it what the current price of TQQQ is. Let's capacity trade. I never responded to your message. Please try again soon. What the crap? Well, I don't like that at all. Let's try it again. Capacity constraints. What the devil? We ain't got no capacity constraint. Come on, answer the question. Because I thought we'd buy something. Let me analyze this. Okay, so it says regular ED says next purchase January 1st. Today's December 12th, only 5 days early. Current opportunity, TQQ down 4% today, lower purchase price, good buying opportunity. Strategy considerations. Our strategy is systematic for a reason. It removes emotion, maintains discipline, consistent execution, clear rules. Risk of deviating sets precedent for emotional decisions. Might lead to timing attempts, could miss bigger drops, and it breaks the systematic approach. Oh, look at this. Recommendations, stick to the regular schedule. While today's 4% drop is tempting, maintaining systematic discipline is more important for long-term success. Remember, the power of our strategy comes from its mechanical nature. Once we start making exceptions, we risk compromising its effectiveness. Would you like me to calculate the potential difference in entry prices? Look at historical early versus scheduled purchases, analyze impact on long-term purchases. So, y'all, it's kind of like Claude is my little angel on my shoulder that keeps me in line. Isn't that amazing? You know, so, and he's right. What if Monday drops? Remember, I have been saying for some time this AD number being really, really negative for most of the last 2 weeks is probably signaling something that could actually be bigger than what's happening today. So I think we're right in saying, hey, Claude, you're probably absolutely right. Let's maintain a mechanical approach. And with that, I bid you adieu and hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.